name is Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So in database management system, we are performing some operations or actions such as inserting the data, deleting the data, and updating the data. So while performing these actions, so our database management system should automatically update some tasks by performing this action. So here comes the trigger concept, which is the stored procedure, so which helps the database management system to automatically update the task. So you are going to explain the trigger concept with the help of a case study. You can start. Who is going to start?
Introduction to triggers. This many activities happen such as adding data, deleting data, deleting data. Sometimes we want the database automatically perform another action when these activities happen. Example, when new employee joins a company and the details are added to the database, the systems may automatically record the joining data. When money is withdrawn from bank account, system automatically updates the account balance. And these automatic actions are done using triggers. Trigger is a database object that automatically runs when a specific event happens in a table. Important points about triggers: they work automatically without manual execution. They are connected to tables in database. They are activated in events like insert, update, delete, and happen. Trigger helps the database respond immediately changing data.
Why triggers are important? Triggers are used to automate tasks and maintain data accuracy in the database. Maintaining data integrity, triggers ensure that data in the database remains correct and consistent. Example, if a student marks are updated, the system can automatically recalculate the grade. Automatic record keeping, triggers can keep track of changes made in the database. Example, when an employee's salary is updated, the system can store both the old salary and new salary in a separate log. Enforcing rules, triggers will apply business rules automatically. Example, in a banking system, if someone tries to withdraw more money than the balance, the trigger can stop the transaction. Monitoring database activities, triggers help administrators track important database operations. Because of these features, triggers make database more reliable and secure.
Even the activity triggers. Triggers works when the certain event occurs in a table. The three main events are: insert event. The event occurs when new data is added to a table. Example, when a new student record is added, the system may automatically create a student ID or a record, the admission date. Update event. The event occurs when exit data in a table is modified. Example, when a product price is updated, the system may automatically update the related report or records. Debit event. This event occurs when data is removed from a table. Example, when an employee record is deleted, the system may automatically store the details in an active table. This event also allows the database to release automatically whenever data changes.
Types of triggers. Triggers can be mainly divided into two types: before trigger, after trigger. Before trigger runs before the database operation takes place. Purpose: it checks whether the data is valid before it enters the table. Example: before adding a student record, the trigger may check whether the student age meets the required criteria. This helps prevent incorrect data from entering the database. After trigger. An after trigger runs after the database operation is completed. Purpose: it performs additional tasks after the data has changed. Example: after a new order is placed in an online shopping system, the trigger may reduce the product stock automatically. This ensures that related information is updated immediately.
Next.
Advantages in real-time application. Triggers provide several advantages in database management. Advantages: automation, improved data accuracy, better monitoring, rule enforcement. Automation: tasks are performed automatically without human intervention. Improved data accuracy helps maintain correct and consistent data. Better monitoring: keep track of changes made in a database. Rule enforcement: ensure that business rules are always followed. Real world application. Triggers are used in many systems. Banking system, e-commerce website, student database system, and hospital database. Banking system automatically updates accounts value after transaction. E-commerce website updates product stock when an order is placed. Student management system automatically calculates grades when marks are entered. Hospital database record patient admission and discharge authorization.
Okay, so triggers are used to automate the task while doing several operations. So it helps you in data consistency and generate rules. So triggers plays a crucial role in the database management.